Hello kids! Today we're going to open my lunchbox together and learn English words for yummy food. Let's see what's inside. Ready? Here we go. First, we have an apple. It's red and juicy. Say with me, apple. Next is a banana, long and yellow. Banana. Oh. A crunchy carrot. Good for your eyes. Carrot. Look, some sweet grapes. Grapes. A sandwich with cheese and veggies. Sandwich. And some creamy yogurt. Yogurt. Don't forget, water. Droplet, we always need water. Say, water. Let's play a quick game. Which one is yellow? Banana. Which one is crunchy and orange? Carrot. Which one is a drink? Water. Great job. You're amazing. Repeat after me. I like apples. I eat carrots. I drink water. That's it for today. Keep eating healthy and practicing your English. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.